In this video, we're going to discuss some arguments that the print function has within Python. Over here, you can see I did a help on print, and within print, the arguments are a value, special operator called SEP, and an AND operator. We're going to focus on those two for this lesson. You see off to the side here that I ran a print statement with the SEP argument with no spaces, and it takes your individual strings and puts them together. Here I separated with a hyphen, and separator does just that. It separates each item in your print statement with a hyphen. And you can also use the tab and new line. Here's the new line, and you see that it adds a new line for every string. And end controls the end line behavior. Python loves white space, and it knows when there's a new line, and this particular argument within print allows you to control that behavior. In this section, we have a print statement, print line 1, print line 2, except we're ending with a space. So what that'll do, instead of a hard return and printing line 2, it'll actually print line 1 a space then line 2, and we see that right here. In our next one, we print both lines. First line we leverage end with no space, and it combines both lines, as we see there. In the next example, line 1 with end, we use the new line in tab, and then print line 2, and here's the output for that. Here's our first line, new line, then a tab, and then our second line. And we also can combine the behaviors. So here we have a print statement with our first string and our second string, and then we leverage end with a space and then a new line separator. Here there's a space after line, or there's a space and a new line following line 1, and then line 2, it's just, since these both happened after your first item, line 2 was then printed on a new line, and then line 3 was printed in conjunction after line 2.